In part 3, we'll learn to use formulas to apply formatting and then manage and clear formatting rules. To highlight cells where the profit is more than 25% of the sales amount, we can use a simple formula. Select the profit column, go to Conditional Formatting and choose New Rule. It opens the New Formatting Rule dialog box again. Here you'll find various rule types: format all cells based on their values, format only cells that contain, format only top or bottom ranked values, etc. I have already shown these types in the previous 2 parts. Previously, you had to use the default style. In this case, I'll use a formula to determine which cells to format rule type. Now, here comes the magic. In the formula box, enter equal to F5 greater than E5 into 0.25. As profit is in column F and sales amount is in column E. This formula checks if the profit is greater than 25% of the sales amount. Remember to insert dollar signs before the column letters E and F to lock them. Now let's choose a formatting style. Click on Format, go to the Fill tab, pick your desired color and hit OK. Here you can see a preview of the formatting. Again click OK to close the dialog box. Cells where profit is more than 25% of the sales amount gets a stylish makeover. What to do if you want to highlight the total row instead of just the cell with the same criteria? Just select the entire dataset before applying the formula. You can also edit the previous selection. To do this, expand the Conditional Formatting drop-down and click on Manage Rules. In the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager box, you can make new rules, edit, delete, and duplicate existing rules. None of the values are visible now because I haven't selected any formatted cells. So I'll change the scope from Current Selection to this worksheet, and they are visible now. You can choose the order of rules by moving them up or down. You can also duplicate any rule if you want and use it for another range of cells. In the Rules section, select the recently created rule. In the Applies to box, change the cell reference to B5 to F12. To edit a rule, click on the Edit Rule button and make the change you want. Click OK. Yes, it's working. The entire rows are highlighted now. Deleting is also important. To delete any conditional formatting, open the Conditional Formatting Rules Manager like before. Now, select the rule and click on the Delete Rule button. And that's it. You can clear rules from a selected range or cell. Just select the range, click on the Conditional Formatting drop-down, then Clear Rules and clear rules from selected cells. Formatting gets deleted from these cells. You can clear rules from the entire sheet also. Now, time for a quick pop quiz. Imagine you want to highlight rows where the profit is less than $2,200. How would you apply this using conditional formatting? Drop your answer in the comments below. That's the wrap up for this tutorial. I'll catch you in the next one.